Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the extended back post double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the extended double crochet stitch. I will have a tutorial on those and I will have them listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I made regular double crochet stitches. I have a tutorial on that and I will have it listed down below. For the row that I'm currently working, I made 4 chains on my hook because extended stitches are a little bit taller. Normally you would do 3 for a double crochet, but I did work 1 regular extended double crochet into the first stitch right here, so I made 4 chains to begin. Then I worked an extended back post double crochet right here so you can see how it's going to look, and then I worked a extended double crochet, just a regular one in this stitch right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to work a extended back post double crochet. So first you're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're going to insert your hook behind your work between the next 2 stitches that you would work into. Normally you would work into the top of this stitch right here. You're actually going to work in between these 2, so the one that you previously worked and the one that you would normally work into. You're going to insert your hook through your work into this spot right here in between those stitches. You're going to go around the front of the stitch that you would normally work into next. You're going to go in front of it with your hook. Then you're going to insert your hook back towards the back of your work again into that next hole next to that stitch right there. You're going to grab your yarn that you're working with and you're going to pull it through those holes and around the stitch right here, again towards the back of your work. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's going to be the extended back post double crochet stitch. That's how that's going to look. Okay, I'm going to do a regular extended right here. I'm going to work another extended back post. First, you're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're going to insert your hook again behind your work. You're going to go through these stitches right here, in between them towards the front of your work with your hook. You're going to go around that stitch that you're going to want to work, right, in front of it with your hook, and then back into this other hole right here through these stitches towards the back of your work. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through and then around that stitch through your work towards the back. You should have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. I'm going to work a regular extended right here in this stitch. So again, we're going to start by yarning over our hook. Insert your hook in between these 2 stitches right here. You're going to go around this stitch. And that's how that's going to look. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through and around that stitch. That's how that's going to look. Okay. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Doing a regular extended double crochet here. Alright, we're starting by yarning over our hook. Insert your hook in between these stitches. Put your hook in front of the stitch that you would normally work into, right? And it's going to go around towards the front. It's going to go through the back of your work again. You're going to grab the yarn that you're working with and you're going to pull it through those holes, around that stitch, through that other hole. And that's how that's going to look. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Doing a regular extended double crochet here. I'm only doing the regular extendeds in between the back post ones just to show you guys how it's going to look, and because they're just as tall so it stays even. Okay, so I'm going to do another back post one in this next stitch right here. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in between those stitches but through the back of your work, right? This is how it's going to look. Go through this hole right here, You're going to insert your hook in front of that stitch, and then it's going to go through this hole right here towards the back of your work. Grab that yarn from the back of your work, pull it through that hole, around that stitch, and then back through that other hole. Yarn over, pull through one loop only, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Regular extended right here. Okay. Start with yarning over your hook. Insert your hook in between these stitches through the back of your work where your hook is sticking out the front. Go around this stitch right here. Insert your hook through that other hole around that stitch. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through around that stitch. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through only 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to make a regular extended right in here for my last stitch. Okay, and this is how those stitches are going to look. The back post ones are these where the color wraps around that stitch. You can see that a ridge has been made because of working through the back of your work. This is how the back is going to look. You can see that they're actually raised on the back, so it creates a lot of texture in your work. Okay, that is going to be how to make the extended back post double crochet stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos, tutorials, or patterns that you would like to see. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.